Hello guys, this is a video on how to get these Google Photos in the computer as an app. So directly we couldn't install this Google Photos app in the computer. So we can directly go to this three dots menu. Uh, so yeah, nine dots menu. In that you can click on Google Photos. So you can browse it here. All the Google Forms, Google Photos from here which is related to this account. So this is the video how to get the Google account videos in steps. So this is small tutorial video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, the bell icon, and activate the notification bar. If you want to, if you want to, if you want to download it in the PC, you can directly download it from the menu. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.